When your screen is the first thing you reach for in the morning and the last thing you touch at night, it's not just your eyes that suffer. Your brain is drowning in distraction. In one recent study, participants who went 72 hours without their phones showed brain activity changes in reward centers similar to substance addiction. What if you could hit reset? What if 30 days without constant digital noise could rebuild your focus, clear your mind, and reconnect you with your goals? Here's the 30-day digital detox routine that did exactly that. And yes, you can start it tomorrow. Step 1. Define your tech boundaries. Start by setting one non-negotiable screen-off period each day. No phone, no social scroll. At the same time, research shows that heavy screen time, 4+ hours per day, correlates with higher odds of anxiety, insomnia, and reduced cognitive focus. You're not punishing yourself, you're protecting your attention. Step 2, replace digital time with one meaningful offline activity. Read one chapter, go for a 20-minute walk, journal one page. Studies show a digital detox improves cognitive clarity and attention when replaced with deliberate offline action. Movement and presence matter more than the absence of distraction. Step 3, clean your environment, digital and physical. Declutter your apps, switch off push notifications, clear your desk, open a window. The cleaner your space, the fewer mental interruptions you face. Researchers call constant digital engagement the attention economy, where your focus is being taxed every second. Reclaim your focus by setting your physical and digital environment free. Step 4, track your progress for 30 days without judgment. Mark each day you stick to your tech boundary. Celebrate that check mark, because consistency beats perfection. A digital detox study with nursing students found measurable reductions in screen use and improved mental wellness markers by week 8. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up. Step 5, after 30 days, evaluate and scale. Notice how you feel. Clearer, calmer, more focused. Decide which screen habits return and which to stay offline. Because the goal isn't to abandon technology, it's to use it, control it, rather than let it control you. When your attention isn't fragmented by beeps and banners, you have the mental bandwidth to create, not just consume. Conclusion: screens aren't the enemy, distraction is. In the age of endless digital input, your attention is a scarce resource. This 30-day detox rebuilds it. And when you free your mind from noise, you free your future. Start your detox tomorrow.